To open a Wealthfront cash account, start by searching for Wealthfront cash account on Google and opening the first website that appears. This will take you to a screen where you can begin the account creation process by clicking on Start earning with $1. You will then be prompted to select who the account is for, with options including individual or trust accounts. After making your selection, enter your first and last name, and click Continue. Next, provide an email address, create a password, and check the box to agree to the terms. You will then be asked to enter your US mobile number and click Next. The process will require additional personal details, which must be entered in order to create your cash account. Once your account is created, you will be asked to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or social security number. Upon completing this step, your Wealthfront cash account will be activated, and you can begin saving money in your account.